Million doses of AstraZeneca vaccine are expected to arrive in the country from India by the end of next month. This is according to the government that now says having the second dose far apart aids in boosting the immunity of those vaccinated. So far, over 600,000 people have been vaccinated. Our health reporter Zainab Mohammed has the details.
Over 1 month into the first phase of the COVID-19 vaccination exercise that started rather sluggishly, the government says the uptake among Kenyans is fast rising, with over 600,000 persons having received a jab so far. However, delays of the second dose among the vaccinated is rife, as the government earlier announced a possible delay due to India halting international supplies. But the government now says the second shipment is expected to arrive by the end of May, and that a delay in the dose could just work in the favor of those already vaccinated.
Science has proven that the longer the wait, the higher the immune response of the vaccine, and therefore the better protection one gets.
And even though many counties are recording a huge number of persons vaccinated daily, some counties are facing dire challenges in the exercise, including lack of proper internet and hesitancy to the vaccines.
Counties with the least uptake have informed us there has been internet challenges. We've been able to work. The ministry has now given them gadgets and airtime with the data bundles so that they are able to transmit the information to us timely. So we may start seeing a little bit more of data coming from them. But there could be also other reasons dealing with hesitancy, and those will be dealt with at the local level.
Some counties have further been reported to be hoarding the vaccines whilst waiting for more doses. The Health Ministry warning that those vaccines should be released immediately.
We have noted that some counties are holding on to vaccines, actually holding them in the mistaken notion of releasing the current doses only when they receive doses for the second phase of vaccination. The Ministry of Health is now advising any county that might be holding vaccines not to do so. All distributed phase 1 doses of the vaccine should be delivered into arms of Kenyans.
On the countrywide oxygen shortage, the ministry says flattening the curve will be a huge factor in relieving the pressure due to a huge demand among patients.
20,000 oxygen cylinders are out of circulation for one reason or another. We don't know whether they are being held in a warehouse or in a store or somebody's house. And our appeal, as we have repeatedly said, is whether it is a health facility or individuals within their homes, these cylinders are supposed to be in circulation so that they can save lives.
Meanwhile, the country has today recorded a total of 1,091 new COVID-19 cases, 392 recoveries, and 4 COVID-19 related deaths. Zainab Mohammed, TV47.